Today, I'm taking you inside a luxury condo that offers the kind of features buyers actually care about. Beautiful views, refined finishes, a layout that feels open and livable, and the kind of lifestyle that makes condo living really appealing. Arriving through the well-kept common areas at your reserved parking space, the secured entry and elevated convenience make it easy for loading and unloading, as well as picking up your mail. Guests have access through the secure main entrance. From the moment you step inside, you get that open, airy feeling buyers love. The natural light, the flow between the spaces, and the connection to the outdoors all come together right away. This luxury condo offers stainless steel appliances, Wi-Fi thermostat, hurricane shutters, and hurricane windows throughout. Sunsets can be enjoyed throughout the year from the main living area. The blue line shows you the winter solstice, the red line shows you the summer solstice.